other side.
Let me get that.
That just rips the threads right out of it. I threw the others away. Here's one right there.
This thing's got to come farther though.
Oh, it'll come as we get there.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Tire's hard as a rock. Okay, just be mindful that your elbow right now is, yeah, stay that position.
Yeah, I was demonstrating polishing these things last night. And I set the camera up over here and I'd go polish. I got 9 minutes of my back. All you see is my back
Yep.
doing this.
I get surprisingly a lot of footage of, even though I'm cognizant of it, I still stand in the middle of it, and I don't even have to. That's 7.
There were 16, which I thought was, since that's what I had, I thought that's what came out of it.
That'll be 8.
See, that don't look like enough to me.
There's,
See, that looks to be 4 or 5 balls short.
yeah, it does to me too. Normally there's just all balls and then like a little gap.
Yeah. This size ball. Oh yeah, that's like 3 more. That's 1 more. Yep. What do you think?
That looks like I would think it would be, yeah. It's full, but there's actually a gap right here.
It wouldn't take another one now.
No, I would not take another one.
Okay.
I don't know if you heard him or not, but the other side's already been packed. And the front tire, as you saw, or the front wheel has, doesn't have cage bearings. It's got open ball bearings that you have to place. And it looks like we're a couple short. He's going to get those.
I made that kind of keep the
Grease in,
grease in.
away from
Okay.
Is that the way that goes, or does it need to flip?
No, it'll only go one way.
It can't go that way?
No.
It can't go that way. Okay. Come on. Okay, now we need, I think, something to pull for it. Just like that. What's this? Oh, that's the outside. Swing arm.
Emma.
Get one side started.
Oh, there's no nut on this. Wait a minute now.
That's the wrong bolt. It's the wrong bolt.
No, it's not.
No, oh, no, it's not. Okay. Here.
Screw it. Screwed in.
I don't know that we actually did screw them in. Sure. Like so.
I do believe that that's the way it went.
Go back and watch one of my old videos and you'll see me make one of these springs. There you go. That's it. Figure out how to screw this thing down.
And then
Just
one
like
of
that.
these. unless you want the shiny chrome one.
Yeah, that one's fine for now. And that's not tight. Oh, we can tighten this. Oh, that's how you, I guess that's how you get your preload, huh?
Yep.
You actually can tighten that after. Yeah, it needs to be tighter. I'd say it's pretty good. It's got a little bit of rough in it. Windy out there. Alright.
Opposite eye, that's the thing, right? You got that?
I got it.
I can get this shit off my hands.
Okay. Yep. Okay. Let's go higher. Right there. I think it's that. Wait a minute. Oh. These aren't.
These aren't different, are they?
No, I had them.
Oh, just that
It
one
needs to go
screwed over.
Yeah, it needs to go like that.
Slide it down on the axle.
Brake. Jack needs to go up a little bit.
Actually, it needs to come way down.
Are you sure? I'm not lined up over here.
I'm 2 inches high over here.
Oh, okay.
Oh. We're totally off the boat.
Yeah.
There we are. We're cool.
We got a whole bolt going through there now.
Yeah. And
Yeah, that's gonna work.
no, actually not. Just, no problem. Just don't want to hang it there.
Is this the wrong gasket?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get it out of the way. I'll figure out what it does fit and I'll sell it.
These 2 bolts. What's the tank do?
Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, just like that.
The round rubber that you got for your water heater, we need a couple pieces of it. Like just 2-inch pieces for each end of the tank.
got better than that. I got actual motorcycle rubber that came off of bikes. That'll work.
There are here. Like there. What's that problem? Just gotta squeeze and push.
Yep. Well, looks like it's hitting the tank.
It is. It's because it's got extra
Oh.
stuff in it up here.
Okay.
And it will hit the tank.
You know, the more I'm looking at it, why don't we chop the steering head and rake it out a little bit? Make it about
Now
45 inches long.
We've raised it a half inch in the back and it looks right.
Yeah, that does, yeah. These shocks are a little longer.
I'm gonna put the bars on.
Yeah, why not?
They won't get in the way of replacing these, right? No.
I don't think so. Might as well do a little bit of mock-up here.
Huh?
Might as well do a little mock-up here.
That's what we're doing. To see if we got any other problems.
Real mini Indian bars. They'd cost you. Oh, we don't even have to put these on. Put that loop on there. They're about a paycheck worth of bars. Yeah, we don't need to put these on right now.
Might as well get rid of them. We know where they are then, for sure.
Okay. Uh-oh, here's a problem. That one fits. There we go.
Huh?
Not the shocks, the forks look long to me. It's probably because the rest of the engine's not in there. Alright, I think this is going to be the end of the third episode. We're just going to start writing some stuff on some paper. You don't really need to watch that.
Yeah, and we'll figure out what we're gonna do with that
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah, we got to modify the peg mount because the one we have is not correct. It's sort of correct, but not. But I'll show you that. That's going to be a whole other episode. Modifying that. Thanks for watching, guys.